Hi! In front of me is HAFURY GT20 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. You need to start by locating and opening Sound Recorder app. Now click on this red button at the bottom left corner and select Allow in the pop-up if you never used Recorder before. As you can see, recording is on. You can pause it or unpause it thanks to the same left button. In order to end it and save it, click on the square on the right instead. Now you can discard your recording right away or save it by tapping on Save. To access list of all your recordings, click on those three lines at the bottom right corner. To play one of them, just click on it. You can also hold it, and click on this bin at the bottom to get rid of it. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to, you can always click on those three dots at the top right corner and select Voice Quality. Then apply the best option for you. Click on the same dots, choose Recording Mode, and pick one of those, like Meeting. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!